Hey Judy, my name is Erin. I'm with Duff Digital Marketing, and you had spoken with my partner and husband Rob on Facebook. So as promised, I'm shooting you this short video just to give you a few tips on how to help grow your business online. And I will keep this short, but if by the end of the video you can tell that that is certainly something that we specialize in, and that's something you're interested in doing for your business, please reach out to us and we can chat. And if not, no worries. I hope you're able to take these tips I'll give you and put them into action. The only thing I do ask, if you don't mind, would just be to give me some feedback on this video and let me know if it was helpful. But the three things we'll be going over will be content, citations, and backlinks. So first up is content, and that's going to be anything you can see on your site here. It does include the words, but also the pictures and what your pictures are saved as. And Google wants to see 1,500 words on the homepage of a website. But within those 1,500 words, that gives you all the opportunity to be able to integrate in keywords that people are searching when they're looking for your services. So your website looks fantastic. The layout of everything is really nice. It's very user-friendly and organized. My only suggestion for your site would just be to add some more content to your homepage. We do obviously want to appease Google by having those 1,500 words, so they will rank the site, but also those keywords are a huge component, and that helps out a tremendous amount when you're trying to get ranked. So next thing we'll talk about will be citations, and usually when you do a search, you'll see about three companies listed in this section that usually pops up right over here. So that's called the map pack, and citations have a lot to do with that. So a citation is basically your business name, address, and phone number listed in various directories throughout the web. And when I say directory, I mean things like Facebook, LinkedIn, Yelp, Yellow Pages, really anywhere else that will allow a business to enter those details. So you would want to check out where your competition is being listed, and you want to grab those listings for your business. But then you want to double, triple, quadruple where you're found. So for instance, if your top competitor has 10 directory listings, you want to grab those 10, and then you want to add another 20, 30, 40. That's going to have you completely dominating them in that space, but it does also help you to rank high in that map section as well. So next up is backlinks, and backlinks have a lot to do with this section. This is called the organic section. And the way backlinks work is there is a website out there that has a link to your site, and it's pushing power to your site, but it's also potentially driving traffic to it. But not all backlinks are created equal. So let's say that you did some work with someone who owns an ice cream shop, and they've decided they're going to take a link from their site and push one back to yours. But their link is going to be all about ice cream, so it's not going to be very helpful. You would want to get links from any site that has anything to do with insurance. That way it'll send something back to your site, and that will signal to Google that that is the industry that you're in. And because of that, it's going to be a lot more powerful, but also more unique as well in Google's eyes. And this is one of the tools that I use just so I can give you a visual representation. So currently you all have 42 referring domains, which are giving you 307 backlinks, getting you found for 30 keywords, but none of this is driving any traffic to your site. And now here's one of the top competitors. They have 343 referring domains, giving them 2.82 thousand backlinks, getting them found for 4.7 thousand keywords, and all of that is driving about 1,000 people to their site per month. So let's take a look at the keywords that they're using, and hopefully we can kind of get some ideas here. So we're looking for buyer intent keywords. That's going to be anything that someone would actually think to type into the search bar when they're looking for your services. So let's see what they have. So this company is obviously ranking for their business name, which is not surprising at all. Let's see what else they've got. And just while I'm looking through this, a good example would be something like insurance, education, Georgia. That would be a fantastic key phrase because it's listing the service or industry, but then it's also listing the specific location that someone would be looking for that in. Also, if you kind of want to broaden it a bit, even though I know you all don't necessarily sell insurance, you could just put insurance Buford. That kind of widens the service or industry, but it dials down that location a bit as well. And you can target multiple different areas, but you just want to make sure whatever area you're going to target is within your service area as well. So I'm not going to bore you and have us go through these 1,000 keywords, but I do hope it at least kind of gives you an idea of the types of things that you would want to integrate into your content. And truly, in order to beat out your competition, you just want to make sure that you're being found in a lot of the same places they are, because that is the kind of thing that gets you on that first page of Google. But that is all that I have for you today, Judy. I do hope that this video was helpful. And if you'd like to know more about Duff Digital Marketing and how we can help grow your business via your online presence, please contact us. We would love to talk to you. But thanks again for your time. Have a wonderful weekend, and I hope that you have a great Easter with your family as well.